We're living in a world surrounded by technology. Every day, we interact with a multitude of devices that make our lives easier and more connected. From smartphones to smart homes, there's a device for everything. These gadgets have become integral to our daily routines, helping us stay organized, entertained, and informed. But what happens when things go wrong? When our devices fail us, it can be incredibly frustrating and disruptive. Traditional tech support often involves long wait times and complex troubleshooting steps. That's where AI is stepping in to change the game. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing tech support by providing faster, more efficient solutions. AI-powered tech support tools are becoming increasingly popular. These tools leverage advanced algorithms and machine learning to diagnose and resolve issues quickly. They offer a quick and easy way to get help with all your tech needs. Whether it's a software glitch or a hardware malfunction, AI can provide step-by-step guidance. These tools can help you troubleshoot problems. By analyzing data and identifying patterns, AI can pinpoint the root cause of an issue and suggest effective solutions. They can guide you through setting up new devices, from unboxing to configuration. AI assistants can walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth setup process. They can even teach you how to use specific features. With interactive tutorials and real-time assistance, AI can help you get the most out of your technology. The best part, AI tech support is available 24/7. No matter the time of day or your location, you can access help whenever you need it. It's like having a personal tech expert in your pocket. With AI, you have a reliable, knowledgeable assistant ready to help you navigate any tech challenge, making your digital life smoother and more enjoyable. Tech Support Advisor GPT is one of the leading AI tools in this space. It has revolutionized the way we approach tech support, making it more efficient and user-friendly. It's designed to make tech support more accessible and less intimidating. No longer do you need to feel overwhelmed by technical jargon or complex troubleshooting steps. This powerful tool uses the latest advancements in AI language processing. By leveraging cutting-edge algorithms, it can interpret and respond to your queries with remarkable accuracy. It can understand your questions and provide you with accurate and helpful solutions. Whether your issue is simple or complex, Tech Support Advisor GPT is equipped to handle it. Whether you're struggling to connect your printer, dealing with network issues, or trying to set up new hardware, or can't figure out how to update your phone software, this AI tool can guide you step by step. Tech Support Advisor GPT has got you covered. It provides clear, concise instructions that are easy to follow, ensuring you can resolve your tech issues quickly and efficiently. It's like having a tech-savvy friend on speed dial, ready to walk you through any tech challenge you encounter. With Tech Support Advisor GPT, you can tackle any tech problem with confidence and ease. Imagine never having to wait on hold for tech support again. This AI tool is available 24/7, ready to assist you whenever you need it. It's your personal tech assistant, always at your service. With Tech Support Advisor GPT, you can enjoy a seamless tech experience free from frustration and delays. Embrace the future of tech support and let this AI tool simplify your digital life. Remember the days of struggling with complicated instruction manuals? Those days are gone. Tech Support Advisor GPT simplifies the process of setting up new devices. It provides step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow even for the least tech-savvy individuals. Imagine getting a new smart speaker. You can ask Tech Support Advisor GPT to guide you through the setup process, It will tell you exactly what to do, from connecting to your Wi-Fi to downloading the necessary apps. Troubleshooting tech issues can be frustrating and time-consuming, whether it's a computer that won't start, a smartphone that keeps freezing, or a Wi-Fi connection that drops unexpectedly. These problems can disrupt your day and test your patience. But what if you had a reliable assistant to guide you through the process? Tech Support Advisor GPT takes the guesswork out of the equation. This advanced AI tool is designed to help you troubleshoot and resolve tech issues efficiently. It acts as your personal tech detective, asking you specific questions to diagnose the problem. By understanding the symptoms and context, it can pinpoint the issue more accurately than a generic troubleshooting guide. Let's say your laptop isn't connecting to the internet. This is a common issue that can have multiple causes, from router problems to software glitches. Tech Support Advisor GPT might ask you to check your Wi-Fi connection, restart your router, or run a network diagnostic. It guides you step by step, ensuring you don't miss any crucial checks, and it provides clear and concise instructions to help you get to the root of the problem and find a solution. And with its help, you can resolve issues faster and with less frustration, allowing you to get back to what matters most. So next time you face a tech issue, remember that you don't have to tackle it alone. With Tech Support Advisor GPT, you have a powerful ally ready to assist you, making troubleshooting a breeze. One of the key strengths of Tech Support Advisor GPT is its ability to provide step-by-step guidance. It breaks down complex tasks into manageable steps, ensuring that you don't get lost along the way. Imagine trying to reset your smartphone to factory settings. Tech Support Advisor GPT would guide you through each step, from backing up your data to initiating the reset process. This step-by-step approach makes even the most daunting tech tasks feel manageable. Section 6, a conversation, not just a command. Unlike traditional tech support methods, which often involve navigating confusing phone menus or waiting on hold, Tech Support Advisor GPT offers a more conversational approach. You can interact with it just like you would with a human tech support agent, asking questions, providing details about your issue, and receiving personalized responses. Section 7, empowering users with tech independence. Tech Support Advisor GPT isn't just about solving your immediate tech problems. It's also about empowering you to become more tech independent. By providing clear explanations and step-by-step guidance, it helps you understand how your devices work and how to troubleshoot common issues on your own. This newfound knowledge and confidence can translate into a less stressful and more enjoyable tech experience overall. Section 8, accessing Tech Support Advisor GPT ChatGPT Plus required. To access the full capabilities of Tech Support Advisor GPT, you'll need a ChatGPT Plus subscription. This premium subscription unlocks a range of advanced features, including priority access to new tools and faster response times. If you don't already have a ChatGPT account, you'll need to create one first. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes. Section 9, the future of tech support is here. AI-powered tools like Tech Support Advisor GPT are revolutionizing the way we approach tech support. They offer convenient, accessible, and empowering solution for anyone who's ever felt frustrated or intimidated by technology. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and intuitive tech support tools to emerge, further simplifying our digital lives and empowering us to make the most of the ever-evolving world of technology.